I was saving saying this until we were just the two of us,
Yeah.
but I can't help it anymore.
Yeah.
I have to say, this is the first time I watched you do this kind of job, this career of yours, and I didn't realize how hard you work for it.
Yeah.
And I felt so bad because you're walking in the rain.
So nakakatawa kasi, this is really my mom's official trip na nakita niya ako na nagtatrabaho. And hindi niyo talaga fully makikita sa isang episode ng Heartworld. So basically, umpisa pa lang, day one pa lang, sinasave niya yung gusto niyang sabihin sa akin, pero hindi niya matake. Nasabi niya first day pa lang at muntik siyang maiyak dahil napipikon daw siya. Bakit ko daw kailangan gawin to? Hindi ko naman daw kailangan humayod ng todo kasi 41 na ako, ganyan. Naiinis siya dahil nauulunan ako, nalalamigan ako, and all that. Pumasok na yung pagiging mom niya. At pumasok din yung pagiging manager niya na todo pala yung trabaho dito sa Fashion Week.
I didn't realize you work so hard. And you're not well, you're sick.
Yeah.
So I felt so bad.
Even if it's different from what we used to do, it's all...
It's work. And you work hard for what you've achieved. And you make me proud. That's all I have to say.
Nakakaisang show pa lang siya.
I felt so bad kasi it was raining eh. People think this is all fun and pa-cute and you know, rampa-rampa and all. It's not. It's hard what you do. I don't know if I can do that. You make me proud.
Yeah.
You deserve all that you've achieved.
Nakarelate mo rin sa nanay.
Very mother.
Hindi, kasi hindi talaga.
Totoo naman talaga.
And your mind at work, I see your mind at work. You're not just doing the physical part. You are creating what you're doing. The music, the background, the content, it's all you. Even as you get older, you're still growing. You have so much more to give. You do, believe me.
Talaga. Mom, what's your first show? Tayo na titi, alam. Alam mo ba yung show na pupuntahan mo?
Hindi ko alam. I'm just ride on. Ride on.
Ikaw na nga yan, Hil. Gusto ko lang naman gawin yung ano. Sobra naman!
Hulmang-hulma naman.
Hulma! Si Andre ba ready na siya pag-put picture dito?
Pinapunta ko na din. Tita.
As in, what the hell? I'm gonna
Tita,
put this
wow.
up.
Yeah, please. Because
As in, vows.
I need to hide the mga hidden wealth there.
Hil, this is the iconic hair na. Always. Alam mo yung, ito yun.
Nagtatawa na si Tim.
Ito talaga.
Real bangs niya.
No.
Ah? Yan, binili natin.
Bila sa Green Hills.
Ano?
Yung
Talaga the place,
hair mo yan.
ang nagagawa ng Green Hills sa buhay natin.
Na chunky.
Ang ganda. Ang husay ng bangs ni Hill. So, nagawa niya ng paraan na magkaroon ng volume, yung kanyang ano. May backstory kasi yan eh. Nagpa-blow dry yan dati. Nagpa-parlor siya kung saan-saan. At hindi lang nasunog yung buhok niya. Pati yung anit niya mismo na prito. Kaya numipis yung buhok.
Mahusay ka, bata ka.
Kailangan ng palaman dito po.
Okay.
Ang ganda. Tita!
Grabe. Ilaw nga sa kanya. No smiling.
Sobrang ganda.
Medyo.
She looks good, ah.
Oh, my favorite.
She looks good, right?
Tita, ganda.
High five. Yan. Swerte daw yun. Nung bata ako, dinala niya ako sa Transylvania. They gave me the injection of the vampire. Yeah, it won't deteriorate.
progress.
Yes, it won't progress
Any further.
any further than that.